Child labor, which manifests in several shades, has negatively affected the future of thousands of Nigerian children in different parts of the country. Most people have little or no knowledge of the actual meaning of child abuse and labor. According to lawyers, a lack of child labor law enforcement agencies in the grassroots continuously deprives children of parental love, education, healthcare, and a safe childhood. Hassan Kohli tells us more.
Many underage children are engaged in paid and unpaid forms of work, which is classified as child laborers. Others are involved in hazardous activities that may affect their physical, moral, mental, and social well-being. According to lawyers, there are many forms of child abuse and labor committed in Gombe that are not reported or filed officially due to cultural and religious settings.
Basically, here in Gombe, we don't normally experience much cases of child labor or child abuse here in Gombe. Reason being that the people of the community, they have their own different perception about the issue of trial when it comes to the issue of child labor or offenses committed against a child here in Gombe. For instance, on the issue of a marriage of a child who is under 18, like a girl child who is under 18 years of age, if you have been given in marriage according to the Child Rights Act, then the punishment will be 500,000 naira fine or 5 years imprisonment for any person who participates, promote or betroth a child or a girl child who being the age of under 18.
Some residents in Gombe say the issue of child abuse and labor is obvious, but unfortunately, people are no longer care about child rights in communities. Children are abused on a daily basis. Sometimes you can come across a child crying on the street and he will tell you that one stranger slapped him, snatched his belongings or abused him. It is worrisome and the government has to take severe punishment on the violators. Communities too have to play a part as this is a collective responsibility. A lot of parents are responsible for child labor and abuse. They are sending their children to faraway places to seek Islamic knowledge without checking off on them. As such, children tend to look for food by any means, which will result in them being abused or engaged in child labor. Parents and guidance should fear Allah, as they will ask how they treated their children thereafter. For Musa Ismail, enacting state-owned Child Rights Act will help reduce the menace of child abuse and child labor in Gombe State.
I think here in Gombe it is right time that Gombe State government should establish a children and young persons law, which is belonging to Gombe State government, which will contain the administration of the trial and everything for the young person here in Gombe, particularly if possible, which the law should emanate or originate or initiate from the State House of Assembly or from the Gombe State government, that is executive bill. I think going by that, it will curtail or mitigate or reduce the rate of human rights violation against child or exploitation or child labor here in Gombe.
According to a report by the National Bureau of Statistics, over 24 million Nigerian children between the ages of 5 and 17 are involved in child labor. Hassan Kohli, Trust TV News, Gombe.